guys. I feel like it's been a while since I've done a hair tutorial, but it's a highly requested one, specifically from my work bestie. And I actually had gotten these. I got two. I got it in the color 2. They're gonna be drawstring ponytails, and they're straight. I can curl it or whatever and stuff, which is really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna put these on. I'm debating. So I freshly washed my hair. I probably could have left my hair dirty, but my hair was like mad dirty. Like it was disgusting. Like, you probably could have stripped it of its oil and then, like, cook stir fry with it. Do you guys like my lashes? I usually don't wear these kinds of lashes. She's cute for the time being. But honestly, she's just not my style. That's okay. And I actually had to wear it because I couldn't find my original lashes. I was, like, looking everywhere. I was looking in the banyo. Like, all these random places where I know, like, if I take off my lashes, I'm gonna just take them off and put them there, because I just don't. I'm disgusting. I'm just disgusting. Yeah. I got it at the beauty supply store, and it was only like 13, 14 bucks, I think. And it's not my first time buying one. A low ponytail. I got rid of my last one because I was moving, and it got like really like gross. So I ended up just buying this one. I got 2 originally because I don't know, I just feel like you can always use 2. But look how long it is. It's... How many inches is it? 36? Is that what that means? 36 inches. Okay, so it also has a clip. I don't know if I'm going to use it because I'm trying to figure out what kind of hairstyle I'm going to do. I'm going to have to brush her. Dude, do you see how long she is? If I see this thing one more time, I'm going to lose it. Like, I'm physically going to lose it. Anyways, this is what it looks like on the inside, and it has a little, like, clip. You see? So you just... And then, that's why it's called a drawstring. You have this. It can go as like wide as you want or whatever, or it can go as, you know, this little as you want. You know, it just all really depends what look you're gonna do. I think I'm gonna do like one of those cutesy girls when they like, and then like do a little braid, or maybe just do a little braid. Yes, I have to get all my tools because apparently I started this video without having all of my tools. Okay, but now I'm gonna brush it out so it's nice and straight. You can trim yours however you want. Honestly, it's yours. You do whatever. If you know how to cut it, like, cut it. You know, I have a pair of like shears for my hair when I randomly want to cut my hair when I'm going through a crisis. So you can use those. This is like really super easy. So if you guys really can't do this, I'm sorry. You can call me. Maybe I'll help you over FaceTime or something. Okay, my arms are already tired. It's going to be a really good workout. So now that I have my middle parts, I'm going to place my ponytail or my bun where I would like to put it. So I have my hairstyle right here. And I'm just going to gather my hair. Whether... Yeah, I think I'm going to do like a middle. Because like low's cute, but and high I just don't really feel like doing that. So we're going to gather all the hair. I like to just get a regular brush to grab all of my hair. Just cause like, I don't know, it just grabs it more, I guess. Okay. So I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit. Oh, I forgot I have makeup on. It's fine. And I have some gel. I use this gel for my eyebrows. You use this gel for your hair. I mean, you can use the yellow one for your hair too, but I think it's like not my taste for my hair specifically. My main goal, honestly, is to keep this middle part because sometimes I feel like I accidentally lose it. Do you want it to look real clean? I have a better brush, like I have a smaller brush or comb that helps like slick my hair down. I just don't know where that is. Okay, I have placed the ponytail right here, and the hard part is putting the hair tie on. So I have my thicker one, and I'm just gonna tie my ponytail. And then what you're gonna want to do next is put it in a bun. So I'm gonna take this little hair tie and then put this thing, put my ponytail. I feel like it's not slick back here. It's okay. I'm gonna fix it. So the bun is kind of messy, but that's okay because it's going to be in this. Alright guys, now we're gonna get to the fun part, and we're gonna put this on. Okay, you're gonna get those little comb things, you see? Oh, you can't see probably from the tag, but you see these comb things? You're gonna stick it in your bun. Stick it. I have my phone right here recording, so if you want to see like the TikTok of it, go ahead and follow my TikTok. It's Betty and Trini _. Don't forget the one in the beginning. Okay, clipped both sides. I just wrapped the like little string around, and I think I'm gonna just attach a bobby pin. I wrapped it around this way. Okay, so you see this tag right here? Make sure you hide it somehow. Okay. Because now I have inches. Baby. I'm feeling a little like silly right now. I'm kind of hyper because I've been home all day. I worked out and stuff. This is what it looks like in the back. Does it look stupid? Does it look stupid? Be real. I don't think so. Let's braid the hair this way. So I'm just gonna braid the hair just like normally how I would braid when I used to have long hair. I'm brushing it out because I really want it to be like kind of like smooth. If I was a braider, they would hate me because I would take forever braiding hair. Not to be conceited, but I'm looking at myself in the mirror while I'm doing this TikTok, and I'm like, I put the back camera, and it's gonna look good. Okay, so I grabbed a little hair tie. Now I'm just tying it. So, obviously to complete the look, you gotta make sure that all the flyaways are just taken care of. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to eat up my baby hairs, because that's just the look I like. I use a little spoolie, and then I'm gonna use this, and let's see like where it takes us. So as you can see, this is what they look like right now. And then I got a little bit of gel on the spoolie, and then I'm gonna do this side first. know, you can do a little swoop here, but I actually think I'm gonna like kind of curl it right here. Do we like that? Do we like that? It reminds me of that one girl. What's her name? She's the one that has the kids Rumble Honey, and Slim Jim. I actually didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. It's a little mean. They're just kids. Well, you know, they didn't choose those names. The parents did. But I just feel like everybody's just gonna have something to say about it. Like, I wanted to name my daughter Love. Like, Love. You can also curl, like, the sides of your hair right here. I'm not going to because I know I'm just going to burn myself right now. And I really just don't want that inconvenience right now because I feel like I'm in a fragile state. And anything like that, I'm just going to cry. I'm okay. I just feel like right now that I'm 26 and stuff, I just have a lot to figure out. And I've been feeling like a lot of my time is running out because I'm going to be 30. I'm like tearing up just thinking about it. This is not even that type of video. Okay, I changed my shirt so I can look a little cuter. I'm out of the Thrasher shirt, but I messed up my hair, like its sleekness. So I'm gonna wet my hands, get some more gel. I feel like this look is giving like Sade. And then, I guess to complete the look, we should put some lip gloss on. I honestly don't know where my other Maracuja Juicy Lip Lump is. My coworker got me that. I'm a little sad. Okay. I have this one. Oh my god, I'm done! Yeah, that's basically it. It's super easy. You just gotta hook both sides, make sure it's all around your bun, and then just whoop, you just hide the string, and you're Gucci. You can do whatever you want with this. I could wrap it. I could do whatever. But I'm not going to. I wanna keep this look. But yeah, if you like this video, like it. If you didn't, I'm so very sorry. But hopefully I can make something else that you like. We'll see. If you give me another chance. And let me know what else you guys want to see, I guess. Or if you guys have any other things that you guys want me to show you. Because your girl's still a baddie, I promise. I was gone for a little bit. But I'm back. I'm back now, I promise, guys. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.